Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life guys. Here I am at Dollar General. I hope you enjoy the videos, so let's jump right into it. So here you have some sofa pillows, and those are $15, and then the body pillows are 10 guys, and then here are your, what do you call these? The dish dry, well, the dish drying mats are back there for $4. Then you have this comfy pillow over here, the squishy one, for $5, and these are $5 also. So these come in the pets, and these are $5. Aren't they cute? Look at that one. They're so cute. And then this one, $5. So that's really nice. Look at this one. That's adorable. And so you have your fur one, your fur throw for 10. Then you have some more body pillows and some regular pillows along the bottom. Then here you have some outdoor stuff, gardening things, animals. So these are $2.50. These are $3, and these are $3 also. What are these over here for $1.50? Not sure what those are. Red, white, and blue tins. Flowers, those are $5 a piece, guys. And then you have like this pinwheel kind for $5. And then these over here say welcome. Oh, that's the camper. Okay, the camper one. See it? Those say $3. I'm not sure. And then here's the actual camper, guys. Those are $8. So then you have this outside these little trinkets for $1. These are the cows. Then they have a lot of the fairy stuff, and this is the lamb. And then here are the campers, guys. Aren't those adorable? I'm loving the detail. Then you have some of the animals back there. And here's the gnomes, and here's the mini garden fencing. This says welcome to my garden. Isn't that adorable? And here's the wishing well, and this is the dog, and those are the benches. Really cute, guys. So then you have these planters right here, galvanized metal, that say welcome. Those are $1. The slightly bigger ones are $3. But guys, those are the same ones they have at the Dollar Tree for $1. Just letting you know. Then here you have the fairies and the praying angels and the gnome in the back. And these right here are $10, and these pretty fairies, these are $5. And this is the mini garden gnome set, 4-piece. That's $5. So here's the Disney one, guys, and these are $8. So this one, that one over there is the Mickey Mouse. That's really cute. So then they have these stakes, and they have the flower pots, guys. Those are $6.50, and the bottom ones, those huge ones, are $10. So those are $1, guys, and then these are $4. Here's another galvanized metal with the handle. Those are $3 to $4.50. I'm not sure, because it's a little bit too high up for me. And then you have the Cinderella stuff for the bugs, some charcoal. And then you have the red, white, and blue pillows for 4th of July or Memorial Day. Those are like $12 each, those pillows. And then you have some charcoal and some hoses and some barbecue stuff and some coolers, guys. That's what they have here. The big coolers along the top are $20 to $25. You have some heavy-duty contractor bags. So these say $1. How many come in there? You get 2 bags. I think I'm gonna grab 2 of these, because these guys are heavy duty. Really, this is their little dollar spot area. So I'm just kind of scanning through, and here you have some toys. Let me see. So guys, here on clearance. So, well, these are the toiletry items. So I wasn't really looking at that. So let me see if these t-shirts are on clearance for $4.10. They normally cost $5, so I guess that's 90-cent savings. And then they have the men's suspenders for $4.85, guys. They have some dog food over there. Let me see what they have here. So some toys. Littlest Pet Shop is $3.90. I don't know. Then they have this toy here. Let's see if any of this stuff on clearance. I thought it said clearance. Anyway, guys, they have only this area right here is on clearance. And so I'm just going to kind of stroll through that with you. Here's some bath bomb surprise dinosaurs for $2.10. And then you have these little mini lanterns for $2.31. That's really cute, and it comes in the black. And then this here is on clearance for $3. Looks like a little makeup set. And this toy here, but there's something missing. I don't know. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar General. And we're just kind of scrolling through the store to see what we see that's new. And I will see you guys in another video.